it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. And today I'm going to do a multi-page layout, but not a two-page layout. So multi-page in a non-traditional sense. So I think I've talked about this before. I've done, I think, at least a live with this. But I'm scrapbooking a trip that my stepson and daughter-in-law and the kids took together. And I'm scrapbooking various parts. There's so many photos. I'm using sleeves for the different parts of them. So I choose one photo that I think a lot of times it's a family photo together, or is a great theme part of the photo, of the theme of that part of the album. And I scrapbook on it at 12 by 12, and then all the other pictures go in 6 up photo sleeves, so 6 photos on each side. You can see here I have blanks. The reason I have blanks is because I don't have enough photos to complete a full 6. I would have had 3 blank at the end, and I don't want to do that. I want each section to be its own. So what happens is sometimes the 12 by 12 pages on this side, sometimes it's on this side, and that will sometimes also influence how I handle this space right here. Now, because I only have 4 photos here, today what I'm going to do is just do another little title block or a block with something in it here. And then this will be like a little journaling block here where I talk about what sea creatures each of the kids were their favorite or that they wanted to see. And then there's another blank here, and I can talk about the sharks, because my 2 oldest grandsons wanted to see the sharks. The littlest one loved the turtles, and then granddaughter wanted to see seahorses. So I will talk about that here, but also just some embellishing. So I went into my kind of vacation stack and found some things that looked like water. And then, so the only one that I had 2 pieces of was this. So I decided to go with this. It does look, all 3 of these would have looked great, although that color is not so perfect because it's more purpley. But this looks great with that, and I have 2 pieces of that. So that's good, because then what I'll do is I'll chop up one of these papers and use it in the place where I have 3 pieces of paper. So that's how that's going to work here. But let's get started with this. I'll set this aside and show you kind of what I'm thinking about also using. There is some, a lot of these fish have kind of a yellow green in it in the back of this family photo. So I'm going to bring in this Petite Prince. I think it's going to have to go in as sort of like a matte for this, and then maybe this Good Times as well. And then I also have these 2 sheets of Secrets of the Sea letters and stickers, and I think I'll use these to embellish the different blocks that I'm going to end up using. I might end up, like in some of this blocks that are this shape, I might end up doing, like, I don't know, a journaling card or something as well. We'll see how that happens. I haven't decided that particular thing yet. So I am going to put you guys on fast forward and get to scrapping this layout. Okay, so as I said, I'll use that Blue Wave paper as my background paper. That comes from Echo Park Summertime, and it's a swimsuits paper. Swimsuits are on the back. And then I'll use this piece. I couldn't use this obviously as a 12 by 12 because I had cut something out of that. But that will be my mat for the layout, and I love how that pops off that blue background. That Doodlebug is Doodlebug Petite Prince, and it's the citrus gingham linen paper. And that tag, I have no idea, it's old. So then as I was looking at the sheet, I found this border sticker here, and that comes from the Bella Boulevard Florence alphabet stickers. I'm sorry, the Florence alphabet stickers in orange. Okay, that does not make any sense to me. Sorry, guys. The Bella Boulevard Secrets of the Sea Fundamentals is what that's from. Sorry, and that's the Fundamentals boy, not girl, because there's 2 of them. That makes a lot more sense. And then that little fish sticker, that comes from there as well. And then we're adding that in. So, and as well as the little arrow there too. So you're seeing me now look at this because there's a lot of that bright green here and the blues that are in the paper as well. So that's where all of these stickers are coming from. Just adding little tiny pieces here and there, things that I'm finding. And as I was saying, I don't remember where that 3x4 cut apart comes from. I think I started to say that. It's very old, from an old collection. So then I decided I wanted to use actually white dots here, which is kind of unbelievable, but I like how they stood off the paper. And that's why I decided to use white dots. So those are they're Pebbles Puffy stickers. And obviously that went with a Americana collection that they did. So I'm really liking the way that first page looks now. And I do have a journaling card there. I also, by the way, I didn't tell you, but I'm going to add twine eventually to that tag. And that is from Hobby Lobby when you see it. So now I'm going through, there's the swimsuits on the back of that swimsuits paper. So now I'm going through and I'm going to create all of my cards that I'm going to use. And I want to use little bits of everything that I used on the front side. So I'm working now with that little border sticker there, and then an offcut of the green paper. I did not put a title on that original, on the first page with the family picture. So now I'm thinking I want to do that with the second page there with this little card I'm working with now. So I put the border sticker there, chopped it down so it's even. And I'm still thinking I want to do some sort of title, and I want to figure out how to incorporate some of the colors from the other page. And because as I was looking, I had my pieces here, or my 6-up pages in the incorrect order as I was trying to describe to you what was going on. Okay, so what I'm doing now is, this place is the Virginia Aquarium, with which they raved about, and I'm going to use a couple of different kinds of stickers to get the title. So I'm starting with these Bella Boulevard Florence Alpha stickers in orange. That's where that came from. That green arrow sticker, by the way, in the other page came from Fundamentals Girl. That was the only thing from the Girl collection. So then I use my Thickers guide here just so I can get an idea of how the spacing needs to look for this. And what I'm going to do is put down sort of the pieces I'm going to use. Those stickers, again, are from that Bella Boulevard Secrets of the Sea, the boy version. And then the white puffy stickers there are from Ellie Studio. So then I'm getting the Virginia Aquarium down here. And so again, I'm pulling the orange, the green, and the blues, and kind of the stickers that were on the other page are carrying over to this little title. I'm using my brayer there. That's a trick I learned from Rachel Reynolds. It helps flatten your stickers so that they don't pop up. Otherwise, sometimes letter stickers will do that, but if you brayer them on, they seem to really hold better. Okay, so now I'm going to do kind of the same thing, use my Thickers guide. I don't use this all that often, but every so often, they're worth it. So even though I don't use them often, I tend to use wax paper. Every so often I want them in a straight line, and in this case I thought it was important. So the title is going to read Virginia Aquarium Under the Sea Adventures, because they were sea adventures and creatures under the sea. See, and it's nice because you just put this down, you get it straight, and then you pull the ruler out and hold those in. Now, it doesn't always work out completely okay, but I think it works out enough that you can make slight changes and it's fine. And I'm just getting the center out of that A. So I really love how this looks, how it brings in all the colors, because that green is still in the border sticker. I don't have that citrus green, but I think that's okay. I'm going to make sure that that happens as we go along in the album as well, because I do have that offcut yet. Okay, so number 1 is done. Then for the second card here, I'm going through my Ellie Studio journaling cards, just trying to find some of that citrusy green. And that card right there is great because it really is that bright color. And I'm not even measuring here, guys. I'm just taking the picture that's going to be behind it and putting the, that's how I'm measuring. So I was looking at how to do that card. I decided right in the middle is the best. And I do have that little piece of border sticker left, but I decided not to use it on that card. And then here's a little fish, so he's kind of cute. And again, that's coming from the Bella Boulevard Fundamentals. The stickers, the heart stickers, are from the Florence Alphabet. And there you go. That one's done. I just added a couple of those puffy dots from Pebbles. And that card is all finished. I did decide, by the way, to add in some more orange here. So I'm adding in some of those orange stickers, the heart stickers, just to bring that orange a little bit more into the layout and get some more of the just, you know, more of that sticker sheet in there, I guess. All right. And then here's the last one. See why I needed that second piece of paper? No, I didn't have to have it. So here I've got that little piece there, and I'm playing around. I like that little dolphin. And I do like this fish sticker, and that one came from the Fundamentals boy, the Bella Boulevard Fundamentals boy. What I decided is if I cut that border sticker, I'd be able to put it on around the fish. And then I decided, oh, I actually really liked it better on a horizontal. I don't have to do this vertically. I was thinking about it, but there's no reason why I have to. So I just popped it on like that, and it's a great way. I mean, look at that. I used 2 scraps there, used up all that border sticker, and just put the fish on either side, and you would not know that the border sticker is not running through. Simple, simple, simple. Again, just looking through, finding phrase stickers, found that under the C phrase sticker, brings in more of that orange, looks great with it, and then a couple of puffy dots, and I'm all finished with the third card there, guys. So that's how simple this is if you just you make that first page, make sure you have little odds and ends, and then you use them on your cards. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.